Hi guys, we're going to learn how to add large numbers with 3 digits, and the steps we're going to learn about is how to use an algorithm and to round or compensate. So John has $276 in his wallet. He gets $127 more dollars. How much money does he have altogether? So using an algorithm, our equation looks like 276 plus 127. When I use an algorithm, I set the problem out like this: 276 plus 127. As you can see, they're in their place values. This is the ones place value, the tens place value, the hundreds place value. If I rename this number, 276 just looks like 200 plus 70 plus 6, and 127 is 100 plus 20 plus 7. And now I'm going to start adding. So I add the ones place value, the tens, and then the hundreds. You always start from the ones and work your way left. 6 plus 7, change my pen. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 70 plus 20, because these numbers here are tens, equals 90. 200 plus 100 equals 300. 300. 10 plus 90 equals 100. So I put the 0 here and I carry the 1 because it's 100, and add 100 plus 300 is 403. This method here, this recording method, is called the long written form. We can work out the same problem using the short method, written form. So we've got 276 plus 127 . 6 plus 7 is 13. I put the 3 here and I carry the 1 to the tens place value, because 13 is made up of one set of 10 plus 3 ones. So I've put the 3 ones down and I've added the set of 10 to the tens place value. 10 plus 70 is 80, plus 20 equals 100. Then I add the 100 to the hundreds. 100 plus 200 is 300, plus 100 more is 403. Both recording methods are fine. We'll do another one. Okay, and we can use the algorithm to work out this problem. I've got $465 plus 278, so I got given $278. What do I do next? I can use the long written form. 465 plus 278. 5 plus 8 equals 13. These 3 ones and 1 10. 60 plus 70 is 130. 400 plus 200 is 600. And then I just add all my totals together. It's 3, 40, 700, 743. Can use the short written form, which is the one you'll probably work out is more efficient. 465 plus 278. 5 plus 8 equals 13. I put the 3 ones down and add the 10 to the tens place value. 10 plus 60 is 70, plus 70 more is 140. The 4, the tens column, which is for 40, and the hundreds to the hundreds place value. 100 plus 400 is 500, plus 200 more is 700. The answer is 743. So this is how to use a written algorithm.